Hello everyone, welcome to this new video of variations, and in today's video we will be learning about a very new concept. And let me just first tell you what is our assignment for the day. That is, we have to display the sum of the given nth term. Okay, so we have to display the sum of the given nth term. So what is the concept basically? We have been given a value, say n. Okay, let me assume that the value of n is 3. What we are supposed to do, we have to find out the sum of series where the nth term of the sequence is given by a formula. So what is the formula? So the formula, I'll be writing it over here. It is total, or we can say the formula is equal to n raised to power 2 minus n minus 1 raised to power 2. This is the formula. Okay, so we have to calculate it. Let it be. So for now, what does that mean? That means, for example, if the number we have given is 3, the nth term is 3. Therefore, it means that the term of the sequence up to 3 are what? 1, 3 and 5. Okay, 1, 3 and 5. Therefore, the required sum of 1, 3 and 5 will be what? It will be 9. So the sum will be equal to 9, and this is what we are going to return. Okay, so now let us just first calculate the values using this formula. For calculating the sum, I will be taking a variable as sum and I will be initializing it with 0 for now. Obviously, because we have to do it so many times, so I will be taking a variable I, okay, and the value of I will be taking it as 1. So what is our formula? According to our formula, I will write it down the statement like this. The formula is, say, sum is equal to sum plus, because we have to say, firstly we have to sum up 1, then we have to sum up the new value, then we have to sum up 5, and then we have to sum up 9. So we have to iterate it every time, right? So we will be iterating the value of I to n, because the given value of n is what? 3. So we have to iterate it up to 3 iterations. So what we will do, number 1 point, rather than taking the n here, I'll be taking I over here. Okay, so what will be the values? Obviously it will be I into I, because it is n ka square, so I will be taking I ka square over here, minus we have to take it n minus 1 2 times, so I will be taking I minus 1 into I minus 1. You can also take n, by the way, there is nothing in it. So after calculating the value for the first time, what is the value of sum? The sum value is 0 for now. So 0 plus, what is the value of I? I, that is 1. 1 into 1 is of course 1, minus, what is the value of I? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 into 0 is 0, right? So it will be 0. What will be the answer? Obviously the value of sum will be here. Sum is equal to 1. Okay, I will be just marking it, indicating that we have done something. The first iteration has been completed. Now I will be turning out I is equal to 2. When I becomes 2, what will be the value of sum? What is the sum's old value? It was 1, so I will be adding that up. I into I, that is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4, minus I minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1, into, again, 2 minus 1, it will be 1. So what will be the answer? Sum will be equal to 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So it will be 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer will be what? The answer will be 4. Updated value of sum, right? This is your updated value of sum. Now let me just do it for the third iteration again. So now again the iteration of I is 3 and we have reached the number itself. The sum value will be, the old value of sum is 4, plus I have to say 3 into 3, right? Because I into I. So 3 into 3 is what? 9. 9 minus I minus 1. I is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 into again 3 minus 1 is 2. So sum will be equal to 4 plus 9 minus 2 to the 4. So the answer will be equal to 9, and this was what we got. So that was told to us that the value of n, if it is 3, the value of sum should be equal to 9, and that is what we are getting. Okay, so what was our approach to it? Our approach was basically, we will simply using the loop and we will calculating the sum of each term, and then we were printing the sum. Hope you guys understand the logical part. Let us now move on to the coding section. So what we will be doing is, firstly I'll be typing a main method. In the main method I'll be taking n, and n value I will be taking it as 3. Okay, I will be creating another method, and say whatsoever method we will be creating, it will be static first of all, then I'll be naming it as sum series. Definitely we have to provide it a value, say int n. Done for now, right? So what we have to do is, I'll be taking a variable sum is equal to 0. Then I will be using the for loop as we have discussed. So I will be equal to 1, and it should work up to what? It should work up to n, right? Then as per the formula has been mentioned to us, it is sum plus I into I minus I minus 1 into I minus 1. That's it. You have to return sum. Let us just execute it and check it out if the answer is correct. Yes, we got it. Okay, hope you guys understand the concept. Thank you very much.